Welcome to the Mercedes-Benz summer driving event. I know some of you are going to complain about wind noise, and that's why I'm squatting here on the ground, because I don't want anybody to have to tolerate any wind noise in this microphone. Whoa, this is really bad. Testing 1, 2, testing 1, 2, 3. If you've watched those Christmas ads from Mercedes-Benz, you know they always use red and white cars. Well, they call that the winter driving event. Which one of these cars is a little bit off in terms of color? And I want you to guess the year and the model for that car that you would consider a little off. There's one car here that has had some modification to the front end. I want you to guess which car that is, and you need to also state the year and model of that particular vehicle. And for the grand finale, I'm going to open all the hoods. We're going to take the camera, and I'm going to let you listen to every single one of these engines start and run. And you're to tell me which is the best engine and which one starts the best. All right, we've got all 5 hoods open. Every one of these engines is different. Some are close, some are not. Take a listen to each one. And let's start here with number 1. Whoa! Number 2, crank it up. And here's red number 3. Let's crank it up. Okay, car number 4, let's crank it up. Listen, listen. Old Benz number 5, let's crank it up. And now for the bonus question. You did not get to see this car in any previous scene. So guess what engine this is and what car is it in? Crank it up. I hope you enjoyed listening to the sound of each one of these unique old Mercedes engines. I'm sure some of you have a specific favorite. You might even be prejudiced towards that favorite. That's okay. Just leave your comments below, answer the questions, and we'll see you next time.